Cars. I'm Kevin Matlo, and I got Ed here with an absolutely beautiful 1954 Bel Air. Ed, welcome to my channel.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Tell me a little bit about your car.
Well, it's originally ordered out of Michigan. A GM dealer ordered it for himself, and he ordered options on it that weren't normal options for a Chev. But because he was a big GM dealer, they put it on for him, and it sat in his showroom for over 10 years.
Wow.
And then a GM dealer in Richmond, BC found it, and that's where I got it, was from Richmond, BC. So, yeah, we've been driving it for now about 15 years, and we put probably about 40,000 miles on it.
Wow, it gets used, that's good.
Yeah, well, you know, we go to car shows pretty well every weekend, and we used to take it down to Arizona with us. And you know, Arizona, there's a show every weekend.
Every weekend, absolutely.
Yeah, so,
that's fantastic.
So we've been enjoying it. Yeah.
What condition was the car when you got it? Was it pretty well this, or?
Yeah, it's original. I didn't put a paint job on it. The interior's totally original. I had a friend who's a upholsterer and does cars, and he looked at the stitching and he says that's factory stitching on there.
Wow.
So it's rare.
So this is a true absolute survivor.
Yes, it is.
All original.
All original.
That's incredible.
6-cylinder. I personalized it a little bit. I put extra teeth in the grill, and you know, just to make it your own.
Of course. Why not? You own it, right? It's yours.
Yeah, gotta personalize your.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So what drew you to this car? Was it always a car you had kind of wanted, or is it?
Well, it brings back some good memories. When I graduated from high school in grade 12, my first car was a 54, a Chev 2-door hardtop. So when I saw this, it's just a little bit better than what I had. This has got a convertible, but it brings back some good memories.
You got your car back.
Yeah, got some good memories.
That's fantastic, and that's great that someone you can actually do that.
Yeah.
You know, I mean,
that's awesome. Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Any other suspension on it?
Is original. You know,
springs in the back.
Springs in the back. It you know, when you hit a bump, you know you hit a bump.
Yeah, absolutely.
But other than that, it's pretty good. I put disc brakes on it because my wife does drive the car,
right? And
for safety's sake, I just wanted to make sure.
4 discs all around.
Yeah. So it's safer for her. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And the tires on it?
I'm looking for new tires.
Okay.
Yeah, they're 12 years old. The white wall is starting to crack, so there's lots of tread on them, but.
Safety
and peace of mind.
Absolutely, 100%.
Yeah, exactly.
Especially if your loved one's driving, you want to make sure.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah, and once in a while, she does take it for groceries.
Yep. Well, she's courageous, because I mean, I wouldn't be driving this thing and parking it in the parking lot.
Yeah.
My wife always teases me. I've got a Nissan 350, it's an 04, and I keep it in beautiful shape.
Yeah.
She always jokes I park in a different time zone before I go in the store.
Yeah.
Because I'm worried about people dinging it. I mean, you respect, I respect, but not everybody does.
No, that's true. There are a lot that don't.
Yeah.
And you know, and with this one, it's, you know, she parks a mile away and she walks. So
yeah, you kind of have to.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Awesome.
The exhaust, it's also factory.
No, I put dual exhaust on it. And I was at a car show in Kelowna, and I won 2 Blue Bottle mufflers.
Oh, nice.
So of course, had to put them on, so it rumbles a little bit now.
You have to. They're no Hollywoods, but they're the next best thing.
Yeah. Well, you got to personalize it, so yeah. You know,
that's wonderful.
Yeah. You don't know it until I start it.
Yeah.
It rumbles a little bit.
Yeah, and that's fine.
And for a 6-cylinder, it's got a different sound.
It's a good sound, though.
Yeah,
it's a good sound.
Yeah,
these were a beautiful car when they came out.
Yeah.
It's even more beautiful now.
Yeah.
I mean, it's incredible.
Yeah.
You've got an absolutely stunning car. Thank you so much for taking the time
Kevin.
to talk to me.
It's a pleasure talking to you.
Appreciate it.
You take care.
Thank you.
If you're an automotive enthusiast like we are, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos go live.